If CapCut is stuck on a loading error, freezing at launch, or refusing to open properly, this quick fix can usually get you back into editing fast. In this video, I'll show you how to stop the background processes, clear the cache, turn off hardware acceleration, and then relaunch CapCut the right way. This is a simple troubleshooting method that can fix a lot of startup issues without reinstalling the app. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software fixes. Let's jump right in. First, you want to make sure CapCut is fully closed. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard to open Task Manager. If Task Manager opens in the compact view, click More Details so you can see everything running on your computer. Now look through the list for any CapCut processes. You may see more than one, especially if the app got stuck in the background. Click each CapCut process one by one, then choose End Task to shut them down completely. The reason we do this first is because lingering background processes can keep the error alive even if the app looks closed. Once every CapCut process is ended, we can move on to the next step. Next, we're going to clear the CapCut cache. This is one of the most effective fixes for loading problems because cached files can become corrupted over time and cause startup errors, glitches, or endless loading screens. To do this, open File Explorer and in the address bar, type %localappdata %\capcut /userdata/cache, then press Enter. That takes you directly to the cache folder. Inside this folder, select all the files and delete them. If Windows asks for confirmation, go ahead and confirm the deletion. Don't worry, this does not delete your projects, but it does remove temporary cache files that may be causing the problem. After the cache is cleared, the next step is to disable hardware acceleration inside CapCut. Sometimes, hardware encoding or decoding can create conflicts with your graphics settings, especially if the app is struggling to load or your drivers are outdated. Open CapCut again, and once you're in the app, go to Settings, then Performance. In that menu, find the options for hardware encoding and hardware decoding, and uncheck both of them. Then save your changes. Turning these off tells CapCut to rely less on your GPU for processing, which often helps if the loading error is caused by a graphics-related issue. Now that the cache is cleared and acceleration is disabled, it's time to start CapCut again. Close the app if it's still open, then launch it normally and give it a moment to load. In many cases, this combination of steps is enough to fix the problem and get CapCut running smoothly again. If it opens properly, you're all set. If it still takes a little longer than usual the first time, that's okay, because it may be rebuilding files after the cache cleanup. So, to quickly recap, you ended all CapCut processes in Task Manager, cleared the cache folder, turned off hardware encoding and decoding, and then restarted the app. That's one of the fastest ways to troubleshoot a CapCut loading error without wasting time on a full reinstall. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut, fixes, editing tips, and simple tutorials, just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.